Hey, welcome to GeoJerry's Adventures. Today, I've got two missions to do. Number one, I'm getting close to a very big milestone, 3,600 caches. So close. I just gotta find one more, and I think I know the cache I'm gonna get. It's a cool little cache. Can't wait to go find this one. And number two, as you know, I was up in Walt Disney World over in Florida, and I came across some massive tracks. It has to be the track of the Yeti. I haven't found the Yeti, but I found these tracks. Check it out. Here, I'll put it right in now. Those are some incredible tracks, aren't they? Anyway, so I'm gonna see if I can find the Yeti today. Usually you find Yeti in the Everest regions, but for some reason he's over here visiting his cousin, Bigfoot. You know Bigfoot lives here, right? So let's go do this. Let's go get these two things taken care of. All right, I'm on my way to 3,600. I found the first location of my multi-cache I'm gonna use for this one. Here's what the premise of it was. I pulled up to a location, I pulled up my Wi-Fi networks, and within those Wi-Fi networks, I found the coordinates. It was one of the titles for one of the Wi-Fi networks. That's unique. That's original. I've never seen one like that before. I tell you what, geocachers are getting more and more creative. So awesome. So anyway, I got my coordinates now from those Wi-Fi networks. I'm gonna plug it in on my phone so I can find the finale. And then I'll have 3,600 geocaches found. So let me go ahead and plug those in here and we'll go find that geocache. All right, by myself along a busy road, but I found a really creative geocache, and this is it. This is for 3,600. The question is it where I think it is? So let's pull this geocache up and see if it's there. There's something here that just doesn't look right. I'm not gonna show you because it might give a little surprise away, but that's okay. But I can show you though is, let's see, hang on. Aha. And guess what? I will show you the 3,600 geocache. This is it. Also, let's see. Little Dan, or Mini Dan, is going to pay a visit to my 3,600 geocache. So this little guy right here, he's making a visit. Also, Cache Canada is going to make a visit. This guy right here represents Cache Canada. If you see any of his videos when he does his recreations, it would make sense. Anyway. Also, there's a bunch of hidden creatures in here too. A squid. All right, so 3,600 found. Now all I gotta do is get distracted by a bird. Common yellowthroat, that's what that bird was. You probably can't even hear it. Anyway, I gotta go use my evidence that I found about the Yeti and go track down my Yeti, and then we'll be good to go. All right, this is the one. This is the one for the Yeti. If I find this geocache, I'll get my Yeti. Let me see if I can find it real fast. Wait there. And I found it. Look at this cute little guy. Look at this cute little turtle here. And that's the cute little geocache. So, oops. Ooh, it's a magnet. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this geocache logged and say, today was a good day for geocaching. 1, 3,600. 2, Yeti has been discovered. So, catch me on my next adventure, and I will see you all later on.